Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you how you can rebrand a PLR file, and we're using one of the most expensive PLR file which I love too much, which is the China vendor list. So I'm assuming that you have the vendor list, the link I sent to you in class. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. Now you're going to rebrand it to your own product. The first thing you can do is the first page. We're going to start with the first page and then we'll channel all the changes to the rest of the pages. So this page one, I don't like the color, so I'll click on it. There's an icon is going to open up here. I would click on the color and change it to white. That's what I want. Now it's asking me, do you want to change this for all of them? And I'll go ahead and say yes. Okay, that's the first change. Now the second change is the title. I'm going to just call it China vendors list, or 2026 exclusive China vendors list. Then I'll take out the 2025. Okay, that's what I want to call it. Now for the design, I'm going to put China. So I'll look at, if you look at my left hand side, you will see my apps, my application here. If you don't have it, just click on app and search for photos, but I have it here. So this is photos. I'll just click on it and then I'll search for China. I'm going to use China's map. So search for China and then it's going to bring it out. Now see, this is what I want. Now the signature here says Mimi's exclusive China vendor list. Usually what you can do is copy all these things. So just double click on it, highlight it, you copy it, and then you do Ctrl F to find it. So when you put Ctrl F, you guys know, you know what Ctrl F is. If you use Microsoft Excel, it's the same way. Just Ctrl F and then you paste what you are looking for. You paste it there, the words that I just copied. But unfortunately, because the words are too long, it's not going to find everything. So how can we do this manually but still faster? I don't want Mimi OJ there, so I can start with her name. I'll just copy her name. So I'm going to copy Mimi and OJ. It's because of the apostrophe S, the column and the S. That's why we're not able to find it. So we'll just go to the Control Find and we'll only paste Mimi over there. And now it's going to help us find her name. So you see, can you see? Now that I've put Mimi, it's finding 50 of Mimi OJ. So what don't we want? We don't want the name. So we're not going to put anything in replace with. So Mimi OJ replace with nothing. So we'll say replace all. Okay, it's going to take a name. But now we still have, if you look at it, we still have the apostrophe S. So we're going to go ahead and go back to that box. Type, what am I calling apostrophe M? We'll call it, what's that? We'll call the, you know, the mark sign, right? The column sign, yes, we'll put the column sign here and then we'll put S. It's still not showing. Let's try again. Okay, it's showing column sign and then we'll put S. We don't want it for anything, so we'll click on replace all and it's going to take it out. So you see, it has taken it out. Now remember that we changed it to 2026, so we're going to write 2025 here. The same place, we write 2025, 2025. And what do we want to replace it with? 2026. And then we'll do replace all. So you see, it's going to change for all the pages. Let's open all the pages and see. Where you have all the pages had Mimi OJ exclusive, but if you open each page, see, it's going to change. So you need to take your time to do it like 2-3 times. Just search for a specific word. So the first thing I started with is I searched for Mimi OJ and it replaced everything. Then I went with the comma S and then it replaced that and then I changed the year. And that's it. Once you are done, you can now go ahead and download your PLR as your document, your China vendor list, download it and list it in your store. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Bye.